Silver has been in deficit on the supply side for a number of years, so this past decade. According to the two main studies, the GFMS out of London and CBM Group out of New York, the current situation is about equilibrium. Supply and demand numbers are somewhere between 750 and 800 million ounces per year. Well, silver has two main uses. One is the industrial demand, and silver is very versatile. It's used in a wide array of applications. It's used in electronics, it's used in medicine, it's used in water purification, wood preservatives, all kinds of things. As well as the other big part is investment demand. As we know, silver is a precious metals, and different times, it's in history anyway, it's used as coinage and currency and as money, and it continues to do so today. Well, silver is produced in a number of countries worldwide. The top two producers in the recent decades, actually for quite some time, have been Mexico and Peru. They probably account for more than half between the two of them, probably well over half of silver produced. And Mexico has been a very prolific area for exploration, and been a number of discoveries being made in Mexico in silver as well. And the entire belt stretching from North America all the way to Latin America has been a very prolific host for silver deposits. Well, lately production has been growing at roughly about 2% a year, mostly from new mines coming online. Most of the time these new mines are base metal mines, usually copper, lead, zinc, or sometimes gold mines also carry some silver with them. And so there's been a number of large projects coming online. One of the bigger ones that recently came online is the Penasquito mine. It's a base metal mine in Mexico that Goldcorp has, but it also has a lot of silver. Well, there's a number of ways to get involved in silver. The first and the preferred method that I would suggest one should do is buy some silver bullion. Now, there's a number of ways you can do it. A lot of governments worldwide mint the official coins. In Canada it's a maple leaf, in the United States it's silver eagle. You have the Austrian Philharmonics, you have the Australian coin, Kookaburra, the silver coins there, and you also have a number of other coins such as rounds. In China you have the pandas, obviously, and also bars. So there's a number of types of silver bullion, and one should definitely look at them. On the investment, on the financial market side, I should say, there's a number of ways to do it. There are some ETFs, there's some trusts that store physical metal. There are some closed-end mutual funds that buy physical metal, as well as there are some mutual funds that buy silver equities, and then of course you can get involved with the equities themselves. Well, we have been experiencing, we meaning worldwide, have been experiencing some financial problems or economic problems, and times have been uncertain, to say the least. And in times like that, silver resumes its safe haven role, and people choose precious metals, both gold and silver, over other type of financial instruments. Well, yes, in early 2011, silver did make that impressive run from the mid-20 range to about $50, basically doubling it in the space of about 6-7 months. And ever since that time, silver has been consolidating, and it currently trades just below $30. This is a very normal action for silver price. Silver is a very volatile metal, and it's a small sector, so it's the volatility is the norm for silver versus other sectors. I expect this consolidation to maybe take another several months, and perhaps sometime next year we should see a new high in silver. And I also expect the silver price for the cycle to go up many-fold from here still. What I can say is most paper currencies have been depreciating versus precious metals, and they will continue to do so for years to come.